Hello viewers, Joe's HVAC Fishing and Railfan Productions bringing you another piano production today. And as you can see here, we got a troublesome dowel. I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but we got to see if we can fix that. Because what happened is it was causing, that's why I was having so much trouble in the first one, where we had to stop the demo because we were having trouble getting the action out. And that is why. So we're going to take some coarse sandpaper and we're going to see if we can sand that smooth. So we sand it a little bit, and what we're going to do is I'm going to hold the action like this, so we're going to stabilize it on this side here, and I'm going to test fit the dowel and see how well it's going to fit. And yes, guys, this is the proper way to carry a piano action. So you want to use both hands, one down at the base end of the hammer rail, and the other end up at the treble end. It'll make it much easier for you to carry the action, and you have better control and leverage. So, see, we sand it down a little bit, and it's not quite enough, so we're going to do it again. So now we're going to try it again before we get back to hammer reshaping, which we already demonstrated that. So we've pretty much fixed the problem, so we're going to go ahead and set the dowel aside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you for more videos.